$1 billion in your eyes, beside a hospital bed. Hot wars of the Middle Ages replaying in my head. You wore your Colonel Tom Parker signet ring with the unmistakable air of get up there and sing. I watched you and time itself share a fat cigar. The peer reviewers were purring with their paws on my jugular. You get used to fighting talk, doing what you love. Turns out the soft boy gets hard when push turns to shove. I think you'd prefer a firmer hand with big cat tattoos and a wedding band. You could laugh at his jokes, you could bury your nose in his shoes. Is this a bad time? Don't push me with your safe pair of hands. Don't shush me with that playground jazz. I'll find me a man, I'll find me a man who understands. You with all the modesty of big tech and boom. I tire of you honestly when you swan around a room. How I used to like to watch you fixing me a drink, till manhandling the crystalware became your kink. You retold every one of my miserablest movies. You bored my friends from out of town with the virtues of shoegaze. You've all the upright strength of an infant's neck. And yet, and yet, and yet, and yet, will you record the sound I make when I die? What the devil will it take for you to look me in the eye? Am I your number one, or just some other guy? If I asked you for real, would you wise up and die? Don't push me with your safe pair of hands. Don't shush me with that playground jazz. I'll find me a man, I'll find me a man who understands how I like to sit on my hands. I think you prefer a firmer hand with big cat tattoos. You could laugh at his jokes, you could bury your nose in his shoes. You'd like that, wouldn't you? Don't push me with your safe pair of hands. Don't shush me with that playground jazz. I'll find me a man, I'll find me a man who understands to play with my friends. Thank you so much.